guys, welcome back to Natalie's Niche. Welcome to my Los Cabos trip vlog. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So guys, I just finished at the immigration place, right? So I'm trying to go get my bag. I think is that my bag? Yeah, I think yeah, that's my bag claim place. So hopefully I can get it on time. But yeah, we're here in Cabos, guys. I think the bags are coming out now though. So I'm just gonna wait till I see my bag. So guys, I am done like checking in and I'll be checking out, my dear. I'm tired. Okay, I'm done checking out. I already got my bags and everything. I'm currently waiting for my friends. They're supposed to be coming to pick me up. Thank God they came early so they can actually be able to pick me up because we actually rented a car. So currently waiting for them. But yeah, I am exhausted. Exhausted. But those Cabos look so beautiful. Already feeling the traveling vibes already just from landing, literally. But I will meet up with you guys or talk to you guys when we get home settled or when we're doing something, right?
We outside, people. We outside. So everybody introduce yourself quickly. 2 seconds.
Batu, Agma,
ASHUTOSH. I know you guys have
oh wait,
seen.
it's wrong floor, wrong floor.
Oh gosh. Okay.
No, it's not. Oh yeah, yes it is.
You guys know me, Natalie, right? Do you know me? So guys, we're going out to eat. We're finally here. We're going to go eat.
I'm so excited.
I am hungry. So we're going to just go in and go reserve and then come take pictures outside. But everyone looks so beautiful. And we're going inside, guys. Looks so beautiful. Hi guys, so I'm sorry I haven't really talked on the vlog. We came yesterday and we've been kind of busy. I know you saw our dancing this morning, right? So we're actually getting ready. We're going for some activities today. Today is Friday. We came in Thursday, right? The 7th of July. So today is July 8th. So we're going for a Camel ride and an ATV ride. I'm really excited. It's gonna be my first time doing a Camel ride. So we're gonna do that today. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day, but let me put on some perfume first. I have the Beyonce Hits perfume. I love it. It's pretty cheap, but let me tell you, it hits. It hits. Okay, when I tell you it hits, it hits. It's one of my staple perfumes. I use that, and then I use this. It's actually holding this. I use the Versace Crystal Noir. This perfume, don't play with it. Do not play with it, okay? This two combo, I usually combine the two, and let me tell you, people will be asking you, what is a good perfume? You smell so good. Oh my god, you smell so good. So let me tell you, you need this perfume, okay? Anyways, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. I don't know, the lighting here is too much though. Okay, let me spray some perfume and then show you my outfit of the day. This, just something chill and casual. And it says Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa, I will give you off your VT. What's up? Is it so just something chill, casual. And yeah, we're outside. So I think probably the girls are still getting ready. I don't know if everyone's kind of ready, but the girls are still getting ready. And this is Azetan right here, of course. Hey guys.
I'm getting ready to be cute.
Yes.
For the fake top.
I love her look. I love her look. She's ready for the camera ride. Her look is so good. So we're waiting. We'll soon be headed out. We are going to go have some nice camera ride. We're so excited. We're so excited. Okay, let's take pictures, guys. We'll see you when we get to the Camel place. Okay. boy.
We are off, guys.
So we were able to get on the bus for us to be able to get to the desert area where we have to do the camel ride and the ATV. The bus had to go pick up people from different hotels, and the ride was an hour long, guys. It was an hour long. Annoying, but yeah, we had to do that.
Look at this, guys. This is what they put on our head. What is this? Let me see you. Show yourself. We look like nuns. What is this, please? This is better. This is much,
But it might be
much
dusty
better.
though. Maybe that's.
Oh, they lined it up.
They lined up our camels, guys. Look at our cute camels. Fatu. That is ASHUTOSH at the back. Yeah, we're having fun. It's really nice, but it's too slow. Like, camel rides are so slow. Oh, look at the beach. Yeah, it's not as fun as I thought, actually. It's just like, blah. Let me just say I did it, right? You know what I mean? Yeah. I haven't tried horse ride yet. Maybe that'll be the next trip, right? But yeah, look at that beach. It's so nice. But anyways, guys, it's going well. We're gonna go eat, or I think we're doing the ATV before we eat, right?
I don't know how they're gonna do
Yeah.
it. Usually do it last, but
Yeah, we'll see.
You can see behind you, this is Jefferson.
Hi, Jefferson. Jefferson.
It's a very handsome boy. Next to
Handsome.
it, we have another handsome boy.
Hi, Jefferson.
That one is David. Okay. He said he's gonna kiss you like this. And you eat some food like this. All right, mis amigos. Muy sencillo. It's very simple. For this activity, guys, you can go by families, couples. They're gonna take group photos and individual pictures. All right. So who comes together here, guys?
Did you just throw it in there?
What is your tequila?
It's in her mouth. She took it. It's enough. Bottomless. Yo, I'm done.
Sí. Agua de las verdes matas.
Agua de las verdes masas.
Tú me tumbas, tú me matas.
Sume susa de masas.
So after our activities for the second day, we actually went for dinner, and this was one of my favorite dinner in Los Cabos. We went to Arbo. It's a very beautiful, luxurious restaurant. The look, everything was just exquisite. Like, oh my god, if you're ever in Los Cabos, that is a must. You have to make reservations before you go there, but guys, it was breathtaking. We really enjoyed our time there. The food as well was so good. The food was so good. Yeah, and we really enjoyed our time there. It was just amazing, guys, amazing. So day 3, we had an activity which was luxury sailing. So guys, this activity was probably my least favorite, just because during the whole boat ride and all of that, the boat ride was so turbulent that I and my lovely friend Adama, we got seasick. Okay, I've been on a boat before. Yeah, I don't know, I've never got seasick, but I was seasick and it wasn't fun. We also still tried to make it fun. We got in the water at some point and all of that, but yeah, it just wasn't for us that day. But at some point the boat was luxury sailing, like it wasn't really, moving, and we got to experience a little bit of it. Yeah.
Can't cut you.
Okay.
Go up and down.
Yeah. No, I can't cut you. Okay. Yeah, but do it like full force. You don't have to do it right now, but just like this. Okay, from the top. Show me a jiggle. Let me see. Let me see. That's it. Drop your head. No, too fast. Too fast.
Yeah, okay.
All right. I can't cut you. That's it.
Also, and I can't cut
Yep.
you.
Can't.
Got you.
I cannot.
Yo, man.
From the top. Show me a jiggle. Let me see.
Let me see.
That's it. That is where. But
I'm gonna cut you.
Take your time. Okay, ready? Show me a jiggle. Let me see.
Let me see.
I love it. No. I'm gonna cut you. You started just like I can't cut you. Yes. Okay?
And I can't cut you.
Alright, ready? Oh, one more time, okay. Show me a jiggle, let me see.
Let me see.
That is where, and I can't cut you.
I never see that.
Okay, so. Start with your.
But you don't be doing that.
The can't.
When I get it, that means everybody should get it.
The can't is really important. Okay. Yup, alright, ready? Show me a jiggle, let me see.
Let me see. I love you.
That is where.
And I can't cut you.
I ain't never seen a guy baby. This guy baby, this guy way.
Okay. Oh wait. After this tiki tama.
Let's go, people.
So for our last day in Cabos, we actually booked a private chef dinner. We will try to put all the information in the description for you guys, so you can actually, maybe when you go to Cabos and you need, a private chef for any event or anything, you can, link them up. They were so professional, very, very amazing. Their food was just top notch. They were just very friendly as well. Like, the chefs were just so friendly, nice, respectful, and yeah. Let's do a little intro.
Hello, my name is Victor. I am the chef here. Today I make 3 different plates for this dinner. Okay. The first time make chicken taquitos with guacamole and Mexican sauce and cheese, okay, and red sauce.
Okay.
For the second, I make a chicken soup.
Chicken soup, okay.
Yes. Chicken noodle soup.
Okay.
Jose. Jose. Chicken
Noodle soup.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And main course.
Yes.
I make filet mignon
Filet mignon.
with shrimp
Ooh.
and vegetables and sweet mashed potato.
Oh my gosh, it's about to be bomb.
Yes.
It's about to be bomb. What's your friend's name? Introduce yourself.
He's our bartender.
My name is Octavio. I'm
Octavio.
the butler. And
Yay.
tonight I'm preparing piñas coladas.
Pina coladas.
And also I will be your the waiter, the assistant, everything tonight.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yay! Oh, we're celebrating our sister's graduation. Yes. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yes, thank you guys for coming.
We have been enjoying our time in Los Cabos.
Yes.
It has been a time of my life. Okay, I ain't gonna lie about that. It's been amazing, met amazing people.
You see our tan?
My face, my makeup, everything don't match no more.
We had a long vacation.
Yeah, it was
I'll
fun.
leave her to explain.
It was really fun. But they're still cooking. We'll vlog later. We'll get back to you guys. Bye.
So I really wanted to just add this part to the vlog. We went to the Viceroy hotel restaurant. This was the night right before our private chef dinner. This place was breathtaking and just so gorgeous. I had to just make sure you guys knew about it for when you visit. So one thing I noticed while editing this video is that there were so many amazing moments that I literally did not vlog. If you are following me on Instagram, well, you had a time. Boy, we had a time this month, okay? Because that was where I really posted some of the most amazing moments that we had. Like, yeah, if you're not following me there, please make sure you go follow me. Follow me now, right now, okay? Despite me being too tired and just ready to get back home to my husband and my son, I really enjoyed this trip. It was just one for the books. I'm really grateful to God for the amazing friends that I have in my life and that I can actually take this trip with. Like, that's a blessing on its own. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you like these kind of videos, please make sure you hit the notification box so you never miss any of my videos. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Have a good one.